Hi friends, welcome back to this video. Today in this video I'm going to tell you a very beautiful short story. Are you ready friends? Let's get started. The name of the short story is Hungry Balu. Balu is a bear cub. He is hungry and looks for a beehive. Bear cubs are very fond of honey. The bees make and store honey in a beehive. But Balu does not know how does a beehive look like. What is this? Balu picks up a long green thing lying on the ground. Is this a beehive? Balu asks aloud. Chirpy, a small bird, hears him. This is not a beehive, Balu. Chirpy the bird says, this is Mr. Snake. With that I conclude my short story. I'll be telling you the rest of the story in my next video. So till then, bye.